Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about the wonderful properties and the uses of the leaves. Short and simple. Try to keep this video as short as possible in order to help deliver the information as easily and quickly as well. So let's have a look at the wonderful benefits of the mullein leaves, and I'll include the whole playlist on the different parts of the plants and herbs that I talk about. So just as a quick note, this video is for informational purposes only. It's not designed to help diagnose or help to give any sort of advice, medical advice, because then again, please do return to your own medical practitioner for specific advice relating to your own health. So let's get back to the use of the leaves. The leaves are mainly used for respiratory disorders, and the mullein leaves were actually used as basically smoked traditionally, and this is not advised at this time because any sort of smoking is not advised, even with herbs and stuff, because there's that smoke aspect and element that could actually damage the lungs. Traditionally, the plant was also regarded as a very antiseptic plant. It's actually considered that it's best to harvest the large leaves because especially the large leaves that are produced during the second season, because they're really important and they're really crucial because they have that that antiseptic property that you can find in